Okay, so in terms of PPC campaign strategy, I would say the best strategy when it comes to PPC is product targeting, right? Product targeting, because product targeting, and I'll just explain it. I've got a water bottle, it's about to fall because of the fan. So product targeting is where instead of you actually looking for a keyword to advertise your product, so instead of saying, I want my product to show up every time someone puts in hydroponic lighting, for example, what you're doing is you're telling Amazon that I want my product to show up on the other competitors' hydroponic lighting product listings, right? So each of your competition or each person that's on Amazon has a product listing. Well, you're basically telling Amazon, I want to advertise on this particular product listing, right? So for me, I recommend doing that. And that's a really good strategy if you have high ad spend. So if your PPC costs are really, really high, what you can try doing is switching off your keyword targeting, right? And then going to product placement basically, or ASIN. It's called ASIN advertising or product targeting, where you're actually saying to Amazon, I want to be on this competitor's listing, I want to be on this competitor's listing, etc. Now, the reason why that's as an advantage of doing that is firstly, product targeting PPC ads are a lot cheaper than keywords. So you're probably paying 30 or 40 cents a click as opposed to $1 or $2 a click. And then the second thing is also the fact that you'll actually have the option to choose where your product is visible on which competitors, right? So you don't want to go and choose a competitor that has a way far better product than you and is a lot cheaper and has a lot of reviews. If you do that, what's going to happen? You're not going to see any results at all. You're probably going to see hardly any clicks. And if you do, no one's going to buy your product. What you want to be doing is you want to be picking your competition that have maybe a higher price than you, that maybe have negative reviews, or that actually have a product that you know is a lot worse than yours, right? So that's a strategy there. It does take time to find all that, but that's a strategy that I would recommend for PPC, especially if you have a high ad spend.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.